LG oven not responding, blank screen, or unresponsive buttons. This is a common sign of a failed display board. In this short, we show how to properly replace the LG display board assembly. Compatible with EBR 89296-402 and EBR 89296-404. A bad display board can cause no response from the touch panel, dim or dead display, incorrect temperature readings. Using the correct OEM replacement ensures safe operation and accurate performance. Proudly serving Pittsburgh. Need help? Call YinzerFix Appliance Repair. Expert repairs. Done right.